Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore the essentials of securing a Malta work permit and Malta work visa. If you're a non-EU national thinking about building a career or moving to this beautiful Mediterranean island, you'll need to understand the steps to get legal work authorization. These two documents, though often confused, serve different purposes, and it's important to know how they fit into the process of living and working in Malta. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what each document is for, how to apply, and how to navigate Malta's immigration system with these dots. So let's dive in. First, let's clarify the fundamental difference between a Malta work permit and a Malta work visa. The Malta work permit is what actually allows you to work in Malta, officially called the single permit. It's your permission to take up employment with a specific employer and to live in Malta for the duration of your contract. The work permit is issued by Identity Malta, which is the government agency responsible for work and residency permits. On the other hand, the Malta work visa is what you need to legally enter Malta if you're from a non-EU country that requires a visa for entry. Think of the work visa as your entry ticket to the country, whereas the work permit gives you the right to stay and work. If you're a non-EU citizen, securing a Malta work permit is mandatory before you can start working. This permit, also called the single permit, streamlines both your right to live and work in Malta into a single application. You don't have to apply for a residence permit separately. The single permit covers both. The first thing you'll need is a job offer. Without one, you can't apply for a work permit. Your Maltese employer will play a crucial role here. They must apply to Identity Malta on your behalf, proving that there were no suitable Maltese or EU nationals to fill the position. This is known as the labour market test, and it ensures that hiring non-EU nationals doesn't negatively impact the local job market. Once the job offer is secured, you'll need to gather a few important documents. This includes your passport, a signed employment contract, proof of qualifications and experience, and health insurance. Additionally, you must submit a clean criminal record certificate from your home country. At this point, your employer will submit the single permit application to Identity Malta. If all goes well, your work permit will usually be approved in 4 to 6 weeks. For those applying under the Key Employee Initiative K, which is designed for highly skilled workers, processing can take as little as 5 working days. Once approved, this work permit is typically valid for 1 year, and you'll need to renew it annually if you wish to continue working in Malta. If you're coming from a non-EU country that requires a visa to enter Malta, you'll need to apply for a work visa at your local Maltese embassy or consulate before traveling. This visa allows you to legally enter the country for work purposes, and it's the first step in getting settled. To apply, you'll need 1. A completed visa application form. 2. Your valid passport. 3. A copy of your signed employment contract. 4. Proof of financial resources to support yourself. 5. Health insurance that's valid in Malta. 6. And finally, either the approval of your work permit or proof that it has been submitted. Your work visa will generally allow you to stay for a limited time, during which you'll finalize the rest of the work permit process. Once you're in Malta and your work permit is approved, you're set to legally live and work in the country. There's a range of work permits and visas available in Malta, depending on your skill level, profession, and the duration of your stay. The single permit is the most common for long-term employment, but there are other options like the Key Employee Initiative K, which is designed for highly skilled professionals in sectors like IT, finance, and e-gaming. If you qualify, you'll be able to fast-track your work permit and get approval in just 5 days. There's also the seasonal work visa for short-term jobs, such as in agriculture or hospitality, where you only need a work visa for up to 90 days. This is a great option for those looking for temporary or part-time work. For highly qualified professionals, the EU Blue Card is another option. It allows you to work not only in Malta, but also across the broader European Union. The EU Blue Card is typically issued to individuals with a highly specialized skill set or educational background Lastly, if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, you can apply for a self-employment visa. This allows you to start a business or work as a freelancer in Malta, provided you have a strong business plan and sufficient capital. Once you've secured your Malta work permit, it's important to stay on top of renewals and other obligations. Most work permits are issued for 1 year, and you'll need to renew them if you continue your employment beyond that period. Be sure to start the renewal process at least 3 months before your permit expires to avoid any legal issues. As a work permit holder, you have rights like access to the healthcare system and the ability to apply for dependent visas for your family. But you also have responsibilities like paying taxes and ensuring you comply with Maltese labour laws. Any violation, such as working for a different employer without updating your work permit, could lead to revocation or even deportation.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers, Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.
To summarize, while the Malta Work Visa allows you to legally enter Malta, it's the Malta Work Permit that grants you the right to work and live there. Together, they're essential for non-EU nationals who want to build their careers in this beautiful Mediterranean country. The application process may seem complex, but with the right preparation and by securing employment first, you can successfully navigate the system. Whether you're applying for a standard single permit, fast-tracking under the Key Employee Initiative, or seeking more specialized permits, Malta offers a welcoming environment for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and professionals. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on living and working abroad. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.